100 estimation, then you need to check last 2 digits, and if it is 1000 estimation, then you need to check last 3 digits. Okay. Now you also will learn some example related to 100, tens and 1000 estimation. Now today we will start exercise 1.3, that is related to estimation. Question number 1, estimate using general rule. It means you can apply any estimation. Okay, tens, 100 and 1000 depends up to you. It is not necessary that whatever estimation I applied here, you need to apply the same. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે મેં જે એક્ઝામ્પલ માં એસ્ટિમેશન કર્યું છે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ હું ફર્સ્ટ માં ટેન્સ કરું તો તમારે પણ ટેન્સ નું કરવું જ પડે. If you want to perform the 100 estimation, then it is up to you. તમારે જે એસ્ટિમેશન અપ્લાય કરવું હોય એ તમારે થાય. Why? Because it is not given in a question that which estimation you need to apply. કયું એસ્ટિમેશન કરવું છે એ અંદર લખ્યું નથી. Means you can apply any estimation, tens, 100 or 1000. Question number 1, that is 730 plus 998. You can apply any estimation. So here I perform 730 is estimated to 700, that is 100 estimation. And 998 it become 1000, again it is called 100 estimation. Okay, so why? Because 30 between which 730 between to which 200 value, 700 or 800. It is nearby 700, so estimated to 700. 998, so 98 between it falls between 900 or 1000, so it is nearer to 1000, so it is called 1000. So addition of this become 1700. So this is estimated answer. Next one, 796. So what if you perform the 100 estimation, then it lies between 700 or 800. बराबर, जो 100 નો estimation करे तो કયા બે નંબર ની વચ્ચે આવે? 700 का तो 800. It is nearer to 800, so estimated value is 800, that is called 100 estimation. Now 340. હવે એવું જરૂરી નથી કે આને 100 કરું તો આને પણ 100 કરું. તમે ટેન્સ પણ કરો તો ચાલે, but 100 will be easier to perform. So 340, it will be between 300 and 400. It is nearby 300 or 400? 300. So 300. That is 100 estimation. Now perform the subtraction. So our estimated value is 500. Okay. Now third one, 12,904 plus 2,888. Here I perform the 1000 estimation. So 12,904. It is between which two number? If we perform in the 1000 estimation, it will be between 12,000 and 13,000. So कोनी વધારે નજીક થાય, 12,000 or 13,000? Clearly it is nearer to 13,000. Here I perform 1000 estimation. 2,888. It is between which 2,000 number? 2,000 or 3,000? And it is nearer to 3,000, so 3,000 will be estimated. Now perform the addition. We will get 16,000 as the estimated answer. Okay. Fourth one, 28,292 minus 21,496. Again I perform 1000 estimation here. Between which 2,000 value this number falls? 28,000 and 29,000. What is the nearest value? 28,000. Okay. This is less than 499. So it is nearer to 28,000. That is called 1000 estimation. 21,496. It is between 21,000 and 22,000, but you can see last number is less than 499, so it is nearer to 21,000. Perform the subtraction. You will get 7,000 as the estimated answer. Okay? Homework is there. You need to make such 10 examples related to addition and subtraction, and you need to perform the same method for that 10 example. તમારે કોઈ પણ જાતે 10 example બનાવવાના છે, એની એસ્ટિમેટેડ વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે અને આન્સર લખવાનો છે. ઓકે? Example 2. Give estimate by rounding off to the nearest 100. First example માં શું કરવાનું છે? Nearest 100 નું estimation કરવાનું છે, and closer estimate by nearest tens. Means એક જ example માં પહેલા બધા નંબરનું 100 નું estimation કરવાનું અને ફરીથી બધા જ નંબરનું tens નું estimation કરવાનું અને આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું. Okay? So here number is 439 plus 334 plus 4370. Here first we perform the 100 estimation. Okay? So 300, 439 become કયા બે 100 નંબરની વચ્ચે આવે? 400 and 500. નજીક કોનો થાય? 400. So it is estimated to 400. 334 કયા બે 100 નંબરની વચ્ચે આવે? 300 and 400. કોની વધારે નજીક? 300. So it is estimated to 300. 4370. So it is between 4300 and 4400. Okay, last three digit you need to check. 4300 or 4400. Correct estimated value is 4300. Now addition of number. So estimated answer is 5000 when we estimate nearest 100. Now we will continue this example by nearest tens. Means આ જ example કરવાનો છે B part માં to the nearest tens. Means આ બધા નંબરનું tens નું estimation કરવાનું છે. Now we continue our example, that is first one, but B part by nearest tens. Number is same, you need to perform the tens estimation. Okay? So 439. It is between which two time value? 440 and 430. Barabar? Last digit must be 0. So how? 440 or 430. Tens estimation ma it falls between 430 or 440. Which is the nearest value? This way you can perform in a rough work to find the correct estimation value. It is nearby 440, so estimated to 440. Now 334. 334, it is between which two value? 330 or 340. What is the nearest value? Last digit is 4, so it is 330. Next one, 17. It is between 4310, 4320. Now what is the nearest value? 4320. Now addition of these three numbers, that is 0, 9, 5090 is the answer with the tens estimation. Okay, same example 2. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. First we will perform 100 estimation. So you need to change this two digit. Between which two hundreds value? It will be 700 or 108, 800. Now what is 47,500 or 47,600. What will be correct estimated value? 600 કોની નજીક 599 0 or 600 ની નજીક? It is 600. Okay, 500 and 600 માંથી કોની વધારે નજીક? 600. So it is 47,600. Now perform the subtraction. 61,100, that is answer with 100 estimation. Now we will perform nearest tens. Means you need to check last digit, that is 108 734. Now 34 is between 30 and 40, nearest to 30. So 108 730, 47,599. Now last two digit with last one digit 9, it is 10. So here if you perform the estimation, you will get 600. Now next one, 8,325 minus 491. Perform the estimation. First we perform the 100 estimation. It is estimated to 25. If we are performing the 100 estimation, then it lies between 8,300 or 8,400. 300 or 400, which is nearest value? 300. So it is 8,300. Okay, next number 491. Between which two hundreds value? It is between 400 or 500, but nearby 500, so estimated to 500. Now perform the subtraction. So 7,800 is the answer for 100 estimation. Now tens estimation. So 8,325. Between which two 10 value? 20 or 30? 30, because 5 estimated to 10. So 8,330. 491. It is between 90 and 100. Which is nearest value? 4,090. 90 ની વધારે નજીક છે. 0, 13, 12 and 7. 4, 8. So answer is 7,840 when tens estimation is there. Same example 4. First what we have to perform? 800 means it is between 300 and 400. What is the nearest value? 300 ની વધારે નજીક છે કે 400 ની? Obviously 300. So it is estimated to 4,89,300. Again it is between 300 and 400, but now it is nearby 400. 65 છે એટલે. Perform the subtraction. Now nearest tens. Last digit, so it is between 40 and 50. Nearby value is 50. Last digit is 65. It is between 60 and 70, but nearby 70. So 48,370. Now again perform the subtraction. So estimated value is 4,40,980. Make 4 more work. You need to make same example. You have to first perform the nearest 100 and then nearest tens. Okay? તમારે જાતે કોઈ પણ નંબર લેવાના છે, એનું એડિશન અને સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું છે, બટ પહેલા 100 નું એસ્ટિમેશન પછી tens નું એસ્ટિમેશન. Now exercise 1.3 and example 3. Estimate using general rule. Again, here it is not written that which estimation you need to perform. Means you can perform any estimation. So, first example, 578 multiply 161. So, 578. I perform 100 estimation. So, it is between 500 and 600. What is the nearest value? 600. In a bracket, it is 100 estimation. 161. It is between 100 and 200. What is the nearest value? 100 and 200 માંથી કોની વધારે નજીક? 200. So it is 200, again 100 estimation. Now perform the multiplication. 600 multiply 200. 6 2s are 12 and 1 2 3 4 40 at the last. So 1,20,000 is the estimated answer. Now second one. Here I perform the 1000 estimation. Okay, you can perform the 100 estimation also. So 5,281, it is between 5,000 and 6,000. What is the nearest value? 5,000 to 6,000. कोनी बधारे नजीक? 5,000. So 5,000, that is 1000 estimation. 3,491. So it is between 3,000 and 4,000. What is the nearest value? You have to check last 3 digits. That is 491. 491 is less than 499. So estimated to 3,000. So 5,000 multiply 3,000. That is 1,50 lakh. Okay, next is it is estimated to, you can estimate 100 or 1000. I perform 100 estimation. So here 100 estimation करूँ છું, means it is between 1200 or 1300. कई estimation कोनी बधारे नजीक आवे? 1200 or 1300? 1300. This 100 estimation. It is between 500 and 600. What is the nearest value? 600. So multiplication. 7,80,000. Now next one. If we perform 1000 estimation for this one, then it is nearby 9,000. 29 if we perform the 10th estimation. So it is nearby 30. 2,70,000 will be answer. Here in this question you need to make for more such example for multiplication and you can perform any estimation.